GateArms Plus makes LED safety light systems for swing and slide gates that protect people, vehicles, and equipment from accident. Our bright LEDs make your gates safer and minimize costly repairs and downtime. Our swing gate light kits can be installed on the bottom edge of a gate, facing the roadway. The light reflects off the road and moves with the gate. They can also be installed on the entrapment edge facing the drivers. Our slide gate light kits are typically installed on the left and right of the slide gate on its fixed mounting posts. Accidents can hurt people, create downtime, and cost money. Prevent just one accident and you've paid for the system. If your unlighted gate causes injuries or damages, you may be liable, especially at night. Lighted gates enhance safety by increasing visibility for drivers and pedestrians. Our bright, multicolor LEDs demand attention and improve your gate's appearance. GateArms Plus LED safety light systems work with all common gate operator models, old or new. They include all parts that a professional gate technician will need for a quick, simple installation. Our patented LED controller is the brain of the system. It can be quickly programmed by the installer using a computer or jumper wire. Features can include dimming, flashing, timing, fading off, and much more. For instance, lights can be red when the gate is closed, flashing red or amber when in motion, and green when the gate is open. We designed our ultra-bright LED strips to endure rugged outdoor environments. We make 5 types of retainer track for various mounting options. GateArms Plus LED safety light systems greatly enhance safety at your gate by increasing visibility for drivers and pedestrians. Wouldn't you agree? Every gate should be lighted for safety. Contact your distributor for pricing today.